Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use a WhatsApp on multiple devices without having to scan a QR code. Let's get started. First, open a WhatsApp web or desktop app. Then, click on the link with phone number. If available in your version, you'll see an option like link device using phone number. Then here, type your phone number and hit next. Then on your mobile WhatsApp, you'll get a notification to approve the login. No QR code required. Just tap approve on your phone and you're in. Then the method 2. You can use a companion mode. Want to use a WhatsApp for another phone or tablet? Just download a WhatsApp for the second device. Then open and select it and select the link as companion device instead of creating a new account, and you'll be asked to log in using your phone number or QR code. And if QR is not preferred, just wait. The new version will offer number-based login too. And the key benefits: no need to keep your primary phone online, works in multiple devices, and chat stayed synced and secured with end-to-end encryption. And make sure that you're using an updated version of WhatsApp for this feature, and update via Google or Play Store if needed. And that's how you use a WhatsApp for multiple devices without scanning a QR code in 2025. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.